Introducing HeadCount Compliance, the ultimate management tool which integrates all aspects of safety equipment compliance into a single, powerful application. Addressing strict compliance standards, correcting deficiencies, and managing documentation can be a disorganized and time-consuming process. This all changes with HeadCount Compliance. Now all your asset information, inspection records, and work orders are consolidated into a user-friendly, centralized platform, optimizing your facility's inspection, testing, and maintenance routines. Empower your facilities with real-time analytic dashboards and interactive floor plans for simple navigation and data-driven insights. Eliminate the time spent on manual documentation and stay audit-ready with our auto-generated compliance reports. Subscribe today and experience a seamless transition with our personalized onboarding, hands-on training, and ongoing support. For safety, compliance, and peace of mind, partner with HeadCount.